Alright guys, here's a little breakdown on what we got done on the car so far. We have the Evo MFG Pro Plus long arm 6-inch kit with king shocks. The kit so far has been amazing. It doesn't even feel like the car's lifted when you're driving it. The guys at Extreme Off-Road in Clovis, California did a great job. We're still waiting to take it back to get some adjustments done. But man, this coilover kit's just amazing. Took it to the dunes. Barely even deflated the tires and it felt like you were just riding on air. At first I was a little freaked out about doing it because having to cut and weld on a brand new car, but I'll tell you this much, it was definitely worth it. Now for the wheels, we got black rhino beadlocks. Went with the candy apple red on it, they're forged. And we got it wrapped in some 40s, maxxis. Did want to go with the, the Bajas, but they're just all completely on back order. So hopefully we get those Mickey Thompson Bajas next time around. Did stay with the Dana 44s for the axles. We just put the ARB caps on it, and then we switched to 513 gears, which are amazing because coming up here to Shaver Lake like we've done literally every single day for like the past 2 weeks, the car is running great. We're going up the mountain barely at 2.5 RPM, not pushing it in any way, shape, or form. So 513s was the best way to go in my opinion. Now we do have the Vector delete in the back. We still need to put the license plate on there, but that I'll do right when I get the front and back bumper put on. I got a Poison Spider rear bumper and Poison Spider front bumper. I'm just waiting for them to, actually they already came in, I'm just waiting to have time to be able to install it. And then I went with the Warren Xeon 10S for the winch, which I've never used before, but they said it's the way to go. Here's the interior, it's just like every other Rubicon, nothing special about it. Like I said, we did get the car brand new. Yeah, and it's a baby hauler. I did take the ARB fridge out just to make space, but we do have the ARB fridge back here, which is just sitting at home. We just got the fire extinguisher put in too. I didn't want to drill holes in it, so I just went with the Velcro straps on it. And so far it's done good. Done a couple trips with it. And then we got the rock slider table, which makes some noise while I'm driving. I'll be honest with you. Yes, I know a car on 40 is expected to be a little loud, but honestly, the only thing that's really shaking and making noise is this. So pretty much what we got left is the rear bumper, front bumper, winch, and then we're probably gonna try to hit Rubicon Trail or Swamp Lake or something a little different. We've just been doing Bald Mountain. It is the easiest trail up here, but we've just been trying to do some break-in runs with it. In general, man, I love the build. So far, so good. No issues yet. Like I said, the car barely has any miles on it, but let's see, man. We're back up at Shaver Lake again. Right back. We've been coming every other day, if not every day lately. But let's see. Tomorrow, hopefully we get it out to, I think we might hit Red Lake tomorrow. It's another little local trail. over here in Shaver. But let's see. And then I should be installing the front rear bumper and all that stuff next week, hopefully. I've been saying that for about 2-3 weeks, but let's see. As soon as I do it, you guys will be the first to know.